Good morning, students. Today we will study about the development of modern political approach. In last video we have studied about the meaning and the definitions of modern political approach. It means you have already know what is the need and what is the causes to arise the modern political approach. I want to tell you something about this approach related to developing of political science. Today we will study about development of this new approach, which is provide us a new philosophy about politics. First of all, we will study the causes of arising modern political approach. First of all, I want to tell you something about this approach. This approach is there are some lacks loops and weaknesses to traditional political approach. Okay, so when the modern political thinkers study of political science in traditional way, then they found that this way of study is not proper or is not enough. You can't study the only state, only government and only duties and the rights of a state, and there is no necessity, there is no duty to the citizens to follow all the orders and rule and regulations which is imposed by the state. It means they are only thing related to the study of political science is only state, was only state in traditional political approach or traditional political science subject matter. And the another important reason causes demolishment of colonization. In result of this demolishment, new state and nations came into modern politics या international politics. So can you say that only Second World War is the main cause to change the manner of the political science? Not. There is not only single causes the World War. The preparation to the change to study of political science is begun with the industrial revolution in Europe continental. It means it is the development of modern political approach is a long process, long processing work. So these are the there are so many reasons. First, the weakness and the loops and lacks of traditional political approach, and the other one is the demolishment of colonization, imperialism also. From the First World War to Second World War, there are many changes. Implement in politics. Different political systems working and ideologies also. also working. So they also affected politics or political thinkers. Okay. It means as a middle class working and they demand more rights and duties, they are demanding more rights and they are not dependent completely on the state. So they can not satisfied with the state. When they are not satisfied with the state, they will try to revolution. They will try to make revolution in the particular state. You know Karl Marx, they also study of sociological politics, and they have described the relationship which is work on economical issues and sociological issues and related to contradiction with the government or state. Industrial revolution is related to middle class. In the result of this revolution, the middle class people have some conditions, and the revolution provide the middle class people quality life of quality. I mean to say that they have satisfied their life, they have more opportunities to related his livelihood. So they not fully dependent on state. So these and when they work with the state, they dissatisfied with their with the behavior of the king or the state. So they need equality, justice and many more rights. So now we will study one by one on the basis of the political thinkers that were for the modernization of political science. Modernization of political science. It is need of present time. Modernization is the need of every time for in changeable world. Changeable world. Changeable world. ठीक है. I mean to say that if you are not change your thoughts according to present time, it means you will be one day you will be one day you will be called traditional. So if you want to if you want to lead the world in any field, so you have to change your ideas and thoughts according to needs of the people of that particular time. Okay, the first person of Walter Bezos. The author of the book English Constitution. English Constitution in 1867. He described the relation between America and Britain. America and Britain. He was first person who denied the legal and institutional study of a state or political science. I mean to say that if you study only state, then it means you are studying on the basis of traditional political approach. So first of all, he is the first person who denied the study of legal and institutional study of political science. Then he supported he advocated the middle class. Middle class. Why? The reason of this support because the middle class is the source of authority. It means all power and authorities is related to the middle class people. I have told you before that the crown and the kings never demand any revolution. He already satisfied he is already satisfied to his life, which is based on authority. He have already the crown already has authority, and he is continuously using that power. He is very powerful. He has a powerful status in the king. Yeah, the crown has powerful status in any state. So his order is entertained like the order of God. So he think that he is the ambassador of God on the earth, in the earth. So, but in future, Mr. Bagehot said that there is no superior in political science. There are only superior is middle class. It means it gives more importance to the middle class world. He accept Mr. Bagehot accepted the role of middle class, the role of middle class in political science, and this thought was modern itself. So you can say that the modernization of political science is starting from 19th century. From 19th century, since 1850s. Next person is Woodrow Wilson, who is talking about this input. Woodrow Wilson. Congressional politics, you can say congressional government politics, 1885. Mr. Wilson are related to sociology also, public administration also, and it is not only a politician, a political philosopher, political thinker. He is good in any other social subject as well as political science. Okay, I mean to say when he studied all any other social science subject, then he can say that all the subject all the social science subjects are also dependent on each other. Every subject is little bit dependent on other social science subjects. So we will talk about this book and what is the thought of Mr. Woodrow Wilson. Woodrow Wilson is inspired by Bagehot. Woodrow Wilson is प्रभावित है नहीं थे, was inspired by Bagehot. Okay, so it means he will definitely give importance to peoples. It means it will not only study of the crown and the state and the commons. He deeply believe that जो government is work on the basis of communities. He also described the importance of common people. Okay. He also described the importance of common people. About committees. According to him, committees also source of authority, but committees also are facing social pressure a lot. Okay, I mean to say Mr. Woodrow Wilson says that committees is the source of authority. They are connected to the people. They are real representative of citizens of a state. So they at that time they observed that all the committees were facing